Okay, write a system of inequalities for each graph. And this one, these are straightforward. We need to know how to write equations for lines. And then if you know how to do that, we can extend that knowledge to how to do it for inequalities. Oops, sorry, just one second. And okay, so let's do it. Um, we've got, for this first line, we want to look at the intercept. So we're going to write it in terms of this. We're going to write it in terms of um, y is maybe equal to, but we're going to say something x plus or minus something. And we need to first, let's identify where is it crossing the y-axis. It's crossing the y-axis there at 2. So we'll have a plus 2 for the intercept. And what's the slope doing? The slope is rise 1, run 1, rise 1, run 1. So we have a slope of 1, or we don't need to put a 1 in front of x, we just put x. And then where is it, is it all the values greater than the line or less than the line? And you can see that we're actually talking about values less than the line. So y should be less than that. Okay, that's that one for that red line. Now, let's do it for this other blue line. You notice that it's a dotted line. We're going to write y. Oh, and by the way, sorry, I forgot. See this, I messed that up a little bit because see that this is a solid line? That means points along the line are actually should be included. And so we shouldn't just have y is less than, we should have y is less than or equal to. Oops, or equal to. There you go. Okay, so for the second line, we see y something x. We're going to find the coefficient of x in a moment, but where's it crossing the y-axis? It's crossing the y-axis right there at 0. And we don't write plus 0. We don't write anything if it's crossing through the origin. We just put the x. So now we say, okay, what's the slope of the line? Well, if we start at some point on the line, like right here, I'm highlighting this point right here, then we rise -1, run 3. Rise -1, run 3. So rising -1 means we have a -1 over a run of 3, like that. And then how do we compare them? Well, are we talking about values greater than it or less than it? Well, we're talking about values less than the line. So y should be less than. And is it a solid line? It's not. So we shouldn't say are equal. Points on the line won't make the statement true. And I'm going to just, I feel like I crowded that in a little bit. So I'm going to rewrite y is less than -1/3 x. Thanks for your patience. Y is less than -1/3 x. And again, it's going through the origin, so we don't have to write plus 0 for the intercept. Okay, that's for number 25. For number 26, what are we dealing with here? Let's do the red line first. Where is it crossing through the origin? It's crossing through, I'm sorry, where is it crossing through the y-axis? And it's crossing through right there at 1. So what can we write? We can write, we'd have y, something x, it's crossing through 1, so we say plus 1. Now what's the slope? Rise 1, run 1. Rise 1, run 1, to get anywhere on the line back onto the line. So it's a slope of 1, so we don't have to put a coefficient. We know that that means 1. And are we talking about values above or below the line? We've got values above that line, so y has to be greater. Can it be equal? No, the line's not dotted. So it'll just be y is greater than x plus 1. And that's that line. Now, this perfectly horizontal line, we are saying, okay, well, what axis is it going through? It's going through the y-axis. So that's the one variable we'll see. It's one of these special equations with just a single variable. It's going through the y-axis. Where is it going through the y-axis? It's going through it at 2. And do we see values above it shaded or below it? We see values above it being shaded. So y has to be greater. Can it also be or equals? Well, is the line solid? It is solid, so that means or equals will work. Points on the line, which will give you the same number on both sides, should make it true. It should be allowed to be able to be equal on both sides, and that or equals allows it to be that. So that's what you get for your two problems.